comes in this box. I'll open it. It's got the instruction manual. You'll see how it's packed here. Take out the contents. And in this box right here, it contains the device itself. Okay, it looks like this. Open it up, and it has an array of 120 light-emitting diodes. And I'll explain that to you shortly. It's got this elastic band, very handy, because this belt, we call it a belt, but a pad is flexible and durable and made up of high-quality materials. You can shape it and hold it in place with this elastic band. It has a Velcro end, and I'll show you that in other videos. Then it's got the DC or the AC adapter in here and the power cord. I'm gonna put it together. Pretty simple to use. You just plug the cord into the AC adapter. Then you take the end here, plug it in here like this. You'll see the power button turn green, and when you press it, the red light diodes come on. Now, each one of these is an electric circuit, and it actually has 3 light emitting diodes in each one. One of them emits 630 nanometer wavelength light, while 2 of them emit 850 nanometer wavelength light. The 630 is visible red light and 850 is near infrared, so you can't see those. What you see here, this red is being emitted by the 630 nanometer diode inside one of these things. So there's 120 of these, but each one of them has the 3 diodes. The 850 near infrared will generate heat. I want you to know that the therapeutic benefit comes from photobiomodulation. And what that means is basically it can change the biology or physiology of cells using photons. If you're into physics, you know that light, there's 2 theories. It's either photon or wave properties. It's probably a combination of both, but those photons get absorbed by areas in your cell like the mitochondria, the nucleus, and it basically changes the oxidative state of your cells, and it triggers cell signaling, so a lot of good things happen. Any inflammatory processes are reduced, energy or ATP production is increased, and the cell probably respirates better. And I always use the analogy of photosynthesis, how sunlight, when it strikes chloroplasts in a leaf, it causes the synthesis of sugar. Photosynthesis, okay, making food from light. Similarly, UV or ultraviolet activates cholesterol in your skin and starts the synthesis of vitamin D. Red light therapy works in a similar way. If you have pain, you have an injury that you need to heal faster, this is something you definitely want to look into. Okay, so let's look at it again. Press the button once, and all 3 of the diodes come on. If you press it again fairly quickly, just the red light comes on. You can't, maybe you saw a little shift there, but now it's just a 630 nanometer diodes. You press it again, and now just the 850 nanometer diodes are on. It looks like it's off, but it's not. So those wavelengths are being emitted, and you'll feel that heat. All right, press it one more time, and everything is off. It's got another mode. If you press down the button and hold it for 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, it goes into pulse mode. The sequences are the same for when it's on constant. You press it once, and just a 630 nanometer diodes are being emitted, so it's just a therapeutic light, and you won't get much heat with just the 630 nanometers on. You press it again, and again, it looks like it's off, but it's not. The 2 850 nanometer diodes are pulsating, and you'll feel the generated heat. And you press it one more time, and it turns off. In biology, you know, in life forms, there are cycles or pulses in many physiological processes. So that's why a lot of medical devices have pulse mode. And one of the reasons is that if you have constant light or a constant application, you have what's called adaptation. Okay, initially your cells respond to the therapy, but with a constant application, they accommodate and the therapeutic effect stops. So with the pulsing, that tends to reduce accommodation. You can try both. They're probably equally effective, but try them both to see which one helps reduce your pain. Again, this is a really great device to have in what I call your home therapy kit. So that's it for now. Watch the next video where I show you how to use this for various types of injuries and pain.